Well, hello there, and welcome to another training nuggets. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to communicate with team members on Clickup. Let's get started. Communication is extremely essential when you work with Clickup and collaborate with your team members. Setting up a communication system and a way of communicating with your team is really key on Clickup. To set that up, I'll log in into my Clickup interface and navigate to the specific project that I'm collaborating with my key member. In this instance, I'll go into my space section, select the space project management, and I have a different number of tasks that I'm supposed to accomplish on video production as a task. Now, from the record new videos, I'll navigate in there. And for example, I would like to share with my team member that this project is complete or is needed in the next few days, and they're supposed to hurry up a little bit. The very simplest way is to write a comment. And to write a comment, by selecting the task on the comment section, if I click there, if I put the symbol at, I'm able to select the different team members that I have already onboarded into my ClickUp. I select, for example, if I do at, I can tag this user and tell them that the project is due soon. Once it's done, by tapping on enter, that already sends a notification to the user Lenser-free about the project progress and any input that is supposed to be given in there. Remember, I can also communicate directly to them by assigning individuals any comment that I type. For example, I can click on edit that, click on cancel, and select assign. When I create the assign, it simply means that the user Lenser-free will get access to this command or get this information, and at the very same time is the one assigned and accountable to resolve this. Now, the other aspect of setting up and communicating with my colleagues, which is very direct, is by selecting the user guide here, the assignment option, and clicking on assign. The other aspect of communicating with your team members using ClickUp is by navigating into that specific task, and of course, navigate into the edit and comment section, type in the symbol at, select the person that you'd like to tag, and of course, type in there. We have other means of integrating other communication tools like Slack into ClickUp, and those are also very useful when you're talking about communications in ClickUp. And in the next video pro, I'll be showing you how to set up Slack on ClickUp. Well, thank you for following along. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.